So now you are seeing our background is called Sirigu Shwezigong Pagoda. The location is the capital of Texas, Austin. Sirigu Buddhist Vihara 9100 contract, Austin, Texas 78737 in this location. Our property is 16.1 acre land. So now we are building the replica of Shwezigong Pagoda. So 54 feet high from the foundation. So plus the foundation and plus the height of the umbrella, it will be maybe 72 feet high from the ground. So the pagoda is actually the one-third side of the original pagoda from Bagan Nyang U. The original pagoda is 3 times bigger than this one, but original pagoda is solid. Now this pagoda is hollow. So in this inside of the pagoda, we will have a 36 feet by 36 feet room. This is for ordination purpose. It means like we can make a new mat ordination in this building, in this pagoda, and also we can meditate in this room, and outside is for pay homage for pagoda. So for 3 purposes we are building. So this is, we started 2010, August 16. After that, we started on 2010, November 14, the foundation started. And then 2011, October and November, we started our above level of building project. Now it's within 6 months, you can see like that. So it will be finished everything inside and outside in detailed decoration maybe within 2 or 3 months. So we hope we are going to celebrate inauguration ceremony and coming end of the October of this year. So that will be great occasion, and everybody come and participate in this big festival. That will be international inauguration ceremony of Sirigu Shwezigong Pagoda in Austin, Texas, USA. Okay, thank you.